Hey guys, so I just got the AC Infinity Environmental Controller. I use a lot of the AC Infinity products, and they're all pretty much, especially all the newer ones anyway, compatible with their newer controller. And I'm a real data nerd, so I like to be able to check in and see what's going on in my tents. And this has an app that you can download with it, so you can check in anytime and see what's going on in your tent. I really love that it's compatible with so many things, right? You can control your exhaust fans. I have one of their oscillating fans I haven't set up in this tent yet, but it can control that and so many of their other different things that they offer for your tent. So I love that, and I love that this is the precision temperature probe here. It has a 12-foot length, so you can set it up, wherever you want in your tent. So that's really cool. And if you have an AC Infinity tent, I want to show you one of my favorite things. I really love how AC Infinity, how neat they make things and easy they make it. So you can see it has a mounting bracket out here. So you can easily just kind of pull your cords through. And it has like a magnet on the back, so you can just clip it right on there. And then you can have your controls right outside your tent without worrying about any light leak. Or if you don't have their mounting bracket or some other tent, it also has this little stand on the back, so you can set it wherever you have. I mean, you could set it on top of your tent or table or whatever next to it if you wanted. But so again, I really love environmental control. It's the #1 thing when you're growing indoors inside your tents to get a good harvest. So super important if you're looking for really good environmental control like I am. Then definitely this AC Infinity setup is for sure the way to go. Highly recommend it.